What's good, y'all? It's your guy, Coach Mike, with your minute of elevation. Hey, listen, the message for the day is check your foundation. So me and my wife was looking at this house, and it was nice on the pictures. You saw all the nice upgrades and all that. But when we got there, you know, some of the upgrades was nice, but there was a big foundation issue. There were cracks going through the garage, and it was terrible. And, you know, it made me, like, question myself, like, Mike, what's your foundation like? You know what I'm saying? So when I hit rock bottom, you know, my foundation is good because my foundation is Christ. So whenever I do hit rock bottom, it's easier for me to build back up because I'm like, yo, Lord, I'm falling down to my knees. It's your world. It's your time. Help me to get where I need to get. And so we see a lot of people, and we look at a lot of people's lives and we envy them. But just because it looks pretty on the inside don't mean that their foundation is right. So you seek God and not other people. Check your foundation. Make sure that your foundation is right, because just because it's pretty don't mean their foundation right. Hey, have a great day. Cap, bless, and grind mode. You hear me?